Assalamu alaikum and a very good day. Today we are going to cover chapter 4.8 on combustion. So what is combustion? Combustion is a very common reaction that happen in our daily life. A very basic example of where combustion reaction occur is the ignitions of the cooking gas that is used to heat or to cook food. We also have combustion reaction in the car engine where the fuel reacts with oxygen to create force and to move the car and also accelerate it. So basically, what happened in combustion is that we have a fuel, we have a substance, and we have oxygens. These two elements should appear or should be present for a combustion reaction to occur, and it is a very fast reaction. When the reaction happens, it is paired with the release of energy in terms of heat. So combustion reaction is basically an exothermic reaction. So here I showed to you a few reactions that create that is categorized as combustion. You can see that for each of these there are presence of oxygens. What differentiate between these reactions are that some are categorized as complete reaction or complete combustions, and the other are categorized as a partial combustion. So how do we differentiate between a complete and a partial combustions? For a complete combustions, any element of C will be transformed into CO2. If it is only transformed to CO, then this will be partial, right? All element of H will be transformed into H2O, and all element of S will be transformed into SO2. So these three category or these three elements here will determine whether the combustion reactions that we have in our process, is it a complete reaction or is it a partial combustion. So for example here, this is a stoichiometric reaction of some elements. What we have here is propane of C3H8. So for propane to have a complete combustion, it requires 5 moles of oxygen. If you don't have 5 moles of oxygen, then it will not produce a complete combustion to produce 3 mole of carbon dioxide and 4 mole of water, right? This is the ratio, mole ratio that has to be used for propane to undergo a complete combustion process to produce carbon dioxide and water. If there is only 3.5 mole of oxygen available, then 1 mole of methane will react with this 3.5 mole of oxygen to produce 3 mole of carbon monoxide and 4 mole of water, and that is just a partial combustion. Okay, so if let's say we have 5 mole of propane, how much or how many mole of oxygen that we require for it to undergo a complete combustion? So it is just a following the ratio. If we have 5 here, then this will be 5 times 5. We are producing 15, and here we are producing 20 mole of water. And if we have 5 mole of propane, for it to undergo a partial combustion, it will require 5 times 3.5, right? And then we have 15 mole of carbon monoxide produced and 20 moles of water produced in the partial reaction. So what are our key indicators to show whether we have a complete or a partial combustion? It is the formation of carbon dioxide in the system if we are using any fuel that have C. It is the formation of sulfur dioxide if the element has S.